My life took a complete turn and I ended up exactly where I started. Yes, I left college. And if you are in class 11, 12, preparing for CUET, dreaming of your future, I want you to hear the story because I don't want you to repeat the mistake I made. Hi, I'm Akansha, qualified my 12th in 2025. Like many of you, I was ready to step into the next chapter of my life. I cracked two, one of the biggest universities of India, which is BHU and DU. From the following two, I choose DU for obvious reasons. I don't know. All that felt like a dream for me. Qualifying my 12th, getting in DU, and everything, preparing to go out of my hometown for the first time in my life. It all felt like dream. But surprise come after. When I left college after one semester, just one semester, gave me the reality check that I could not survive in Delhi. Why? I don't know. उतना CUT की प्रिपरेशन, उतने फॉर्म फिलिंग, एग्ज़ाम्स देना, सेंटर पे जाना, पैनिक करना, रिजल्ट का वेट करना, रिजल्ट आना, everything felt like waste for me. It felt like everything slipped away in just a moment. And whenever people hear this that I want to come back home, leaving college, they ask the same question. दोस्त नहीं बने, कोई परेशान करता है, रैगिंग होती है. Well, no, nothing like that. I had good friends, supportive people. So the next question of theirs are, so what happened? What do you want? Honestly, I still don't have a perfect answer ki why I left college. All I know is that I felt overwhelmed. There were too many emotions at once. I cried almost every night. I felt lost, confused, and mentally exhausted. The hardest part, I could not even understand why I was feeling like this way. But now, looking back, I have realized one thing. I was not mentally prepared for moving from my hometown where I lived my whole life with parents. And in all those preparation of COET, boards, तैयारी जाने की, हम एक चीज़ तो भूल ही गए. हम सबकी तैयारी करते हैं पर कहीं दूसरी जगह जाके रहना इज़ द बिगेस्ट थिंग वी शुड हैव prepared for. But everything is new. Your PG mates, your roommate, your classmate, your college, everything is new. How to cope up with this new environment? No one teaches you and no one getting prepared for that. And fortunately, if someone, yeah, many people able to survive there without any preparation, but I could not. And this is what I want you to hear. Ki if you are really going to any college, not especially in DU, not especially in BHU, any college away from your hometown, it is very important to be prepared. कि मैं रहूँगी कैसे रहूँगी क्या होगा like everything that कि हमें वो कंफर्ट नहीं मिलेगा जो घर पे मिलता है. हमें वो आज़ादी मिलेगी जो घर पे नहीं मिलती है. देयर इज़ प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग. बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं मिलेंगी. तो जो नहीं मिलेंगी उनको कैसे कंपनसेट करना है और जो मिलेंगी उसको कैसे बैलेंस करना है, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते आए हैं कंफर्ट जोन में, अचानक किसी स्ट्रेंज जगह पे स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ हाउ कुड वन सर्वाइव. But we forget to learn this skill. Going to Delhi was my decision. No one forced me. In fact, on my first day, I was genuinely happy and excited, just like anyone would be. But something changed and I could not handle it. So, if you are in 12th preparing for COET, dreaming about college and a better future, I just want to say this, don't rush, be mentally prepared. Because college is not just about getting in, it's about adapting, surviving, growing in a completely new environment. When everything changes at once, your routine, your surrounding, your people, it can feel overwhelming. And if you are not ready for it, it can drain you and exhaust you like it did to me. So, the next biggest question is, do I regret leaving college? Honestly, not really. Because it was my decision and it shaped me in a way I didn't expect. But sometimes When I think about the opportunities I could have had, the skills I might have learned just by staying in that environment, a small thought crossed in my mind. Well, अभी जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो शायद मैं ना कर पाती if I were in Delhi. So yeah, everything comes with the pros and cons. So I want to convey one message to you. If you are going leaving your hometown to live in new city for college, so be mentally prepared. Just make a thought on this topic also कि मुझे खाली पास ही नहीं करना, पास करने पे मुझे कॉलेज मिलेगा, पर कॉलेज के साथ मुझे रहने के लिए खुद को भी तैयार करना है. So that's for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.